close to the spot. It's getting fucking windy out here today, god damn. No, come back. Oh, you fucking saved me. I'll tell you, I've been stapling for some 42 years, and that's some goddamn good stapling.
Goddamn good stapling.
Tell you what, now we can blast away. You want to try rocking the vest for the
Sure.
Have you ever tried it?
Yeah.
No? Here, let me let you try it once. You might love it.
Okay.
It just gives you somewhere to put your gun when you're not, so you don't have to fucking hold on to it. And then the other thing is your gun is safe when you're not shooting. That's the other biggest part of having a holster. You don't have to worry about where you're pointing it and all that.
I have to be safe. You and your rule.
Okay, turn this way. Okay, pull that across here.
It's all that working out, man.
All right, it's supposed to be kind of in the front of your chest here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Does that fit okay?
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop on this.
That's good.
Good?
I think that's okay.
That's probably okay, yeah?
Help me tie my tie, Dad. Thanks.
Okay, try holstering with it.
Yeah.
You might want to try empty a few times, and either of your guns should fit.
Okay.
Perfect.
Works like a champ.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
I'm ready. There you go. Fully loaded, man. I'm ready. Give me your money! Give me your money! Hand over your wallet!
All right.
Hand over your wallet! Ow! Your money or your life!
I can't. Oh, I gotta paint the fucker. Right. Whiter the better. I can feel his property value rising. I can feel his privilege filling in as we speak. See anywhere I missed?
No, looks really good.
So we should be able to tell exactly where we fucking hit him.
Okay.
All right, you want to do the honors?
Sure.
You want to shoot from back here? Okay. All right, you want me to give you a countdown?
Hang on, yeah.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Give me that money, honky! That is a fucking cheek shot. I think you missed the other two. Were you aiming for head the whole time?
What's that?
Were you aiming for the head on the other two?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Wallet of your life! That motherfucker's dead.
He's dead. One more time.
All right. Woo!
Got him in the mouth.
Oh yeah, okay. One, ready?
Okay, sorry.
Let's see. We're gonna go with, where's the safe? clipped
do so good there.
clipped him in the kidney. Yeah, try for some chest shots.
Okay.
All right, ready, set. We gotta think of something funny.
Okay.
Scott, hurry up and do the dishes. Now you hit it. Just needed the right motivation.
There you go, right in the heart.
That looks all. It's so cool how clear you can see it.
That is, yeah, that's wonderful. Oh my gosh.
I always want to just get more of these, honestly.
There you go.
All right, now you out?
I'm out.
Okay, I'm just gonna do draw and a single shot.
Want me to paint up the holes? There's a can over there?
No, I didn't want to leave it over there in case we shot it. Gotta get better with my shirt. Ooh, I forgot how fun this was. Not getting a great sight on my dot. Yeah, dot acquisition is definitely slowing me down. That was kind of a crux. It felt like my fastest one right there. I think that was 15 maybe. Yeah, I don't know why, but my gun isn't locking back very much on the last round, and it should be.
Yeah.
I got another magazine. I'm gonna run this again.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really impressed with how clearly you can see the impacts, you know?
What?
I said I'm impressed with how clearly you can see the impact.
Oh yeah, no, the impact you can see very clearly.
Because I've seen these on videos a ton, but I just, in person, it's nicer than I thought it'd be. We should give him a name.
Elvis.
Elvis? All right, Elvis it is. We're gonna do the same drill we just did.
You should get him a wig too.
Yeah, that'd be great, wouldn't it? I need to tighten my grip up a little bit here. That was a lot better. Oh, winged him.
Winged him.
Didn't have a great grip on that one. Didn't get my very good shot position either. Nice.
Better.
Looking good, yeah. Try that at least once.
Okay.
Just like movie style, just pop, 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 pop.
Movie style, huh? So we're just gonna come up and get him.
Yep.
Finally got him in the cheek.
Beautiful. 3 crispy shots. All right, we're going for all A zones. I'll count you down.
Okay.
All right. Shooter ready?
Let me get down. Let me get to the. So we'll say this is the hallway. This is the corner where I turn.
Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna start back here, walk up, and then turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm looking around.
Yep.
I'm trying to figure out where I'm at.
There's someone in the house. Oh look. Beautiful. Bam, bam, bam. Where's your money? That was a good group. I saw all those. That was probably your tightest group I've seen you shoot today. You see those? So top of the A box, you got 2 in the upper left corner, and you got 1 right next to it.
Okay. That's
you see
not
that?
too bad.
Yeah. Try it again.
We're gonna double tap this time, right?
I mean, you can do triples.
Okay, our triple.
I just say keep it consistent and practice over and over. 3's good. I mean, 3 shots at a dude is good. Okay. All right, shooter ready?
Yeah.
Shoot! Nice. Threat! Is the holster growing on you yet?
Like you said, it's a good place to keep your gun.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Threat! Dead center in the A. Oh my God, Dad. That was like your best paper yet. Good job.
Thank you.
Dead center in the A, dead center in the other A, and a little bit off in the C, but still a body hit.
Yeah.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Threat! Nice, that was clean. Threat! I swear it's the holster. All right.
Try that one more time.
Yep.
I think I've enough bullets.
We'll burn your magazine, and then we'll burn mine, and then we'll go reload all of them real quick.
Okay.
Or we could switch guns. All right, shooter ready? Give me all your money!
Ah, 2 to the body. That's it.
They're clean shots, though. Give me all your money!
Okay, your turn.
Interesting, it didn't register that first shot for some reason. Did it? Let me look. Yeah, I didn't hear my first shot. I don't know why. That's weird.
Shooter ready?
Ready? Those landed pretty good.
Ready?
All right. Ready?
Wow.
Woo! That's so fun. 1.45. Okay. Shooter ready? Someone's so dead if they break into my house.
Oh yeah, no, so dead.
Unbelievably fucking dead.
146.
Oh, I trigger freeze.
.407. Shooter ready?
Ready? Got it. Trigger freeze again. You want to keep shooting now?
Don't we have to load something or?
Yeah. Do you want to shoot the SIG?
Yeah, I'll shoot the SIG.
On most guns don't have this, but normally you'd have to slap this to get that to go forward, just like you're letting your Glock slide go. But on this one, you can do it right here.
Oh, okay.
You just have to press it hard. It feels like it's not going to go, but if you just press it really hard.
Okay.
So that way you can do magazine in and just immediately come up. You don't have to do any of this on the way, you know?
Okay.
It's just a nice little feature to have. But of course you don't actually have to use it.
But you say hold it there, right?
Yeah, get it up against your shoulder, like really up high, like up into your shoulder area, yeah. And then pull it nice and tight back. And then we got to get this open for you.
Yeah, there we go. Where'd that go?
And is that dot nice and bright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay. All right, this is Dad on the SIG MPX-K, silenced with the Resilient RS9. So yeah, flick safety down, then you're hot.
Thing is wildly accurate.
It's very accurate. It's so easy to shoot too, huh? I saw you shoot the guy in the face. Shoot him in the belly, right below the lowest mark on the guy. Perfect.
I love that gun. That gun is amazing.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, would you mind painting the guy real quick for me?
Oh no, not at all.
Really well.
Wow.
Woo. That's so fun. 1.45, okay. You ready? Someone's so dead if they break it in my house.
Oh yeah, no, so dead.
Unbelievably fucking dead.
146.
Oh, I'm out. You want to run a couple more?
No, I'm good.
All right, do you mind if I run a couple more?
Oh no, go ahead. I'll even help you load.